Hai, Assalamualaikum. Hai. So, okay, hari ni ada lama tak buat video kan about Steve Madden. Okay, so hari ni I just nak share betul recent haul that I got from Zalora, Steve Madden sneakers yang baru lah. So, okay, jom kita unbox. Okay, kita tengok apa yang how it looks like, right? This one I got it sempena 6 hari bulan 6 punya sale, 6 June 2022 sale. So instead of getting because this model was not carried by the Steve Madden website, so I got it from Zalora instead. So kebetulan bila I check Zalora punya apps, so apparently they carry the design and it comes with the size. So okay, kita tengok. Right, so this is how it comes. Memang shaped by Valiram. Okay, so what's there? This is called Max-Amaze sneaker. So I decided I want to do this review sebab bila I check at YouTube before I purchase, tak ada pun the review for these shoes. So nampak tak cantik gila, cantik sangat. Okay, the reason why I really want to get these shoes is because of the color. Okay, I'm a big fan of purple. So tengok color dia sangat outstanding. So this is called Amaze Fuchsia Multi, if I'm not mistaken. Oh sorry, Max-Amaze Purple Iridescent. Okay, so I bought this in US 7 because that's the size that I wear for Steve Madden sneakers lah, right? So as you can see, right, cantik gila. Okay, so I'll see how this one fits. Okay, thank you.